Another story I read, which was really interesting, is with scientists observing a wild space hurricane above Earth for the first time ever in history. They thought they existed, but they had never, ever observed it. And this is the first time it was ever recorded, ever observed of a wild space hurricane. I'm from Florida. And hurricanes are normal, like Category 1. You're going to school still. In high school, middle school, lower school, you're going to school basically in a Category 1. Category 2 is nothing too crazy either. Once you start getting Category 3, then it starts getting serious. At least, that's how a lot of people I knew were. Like, I knew people who were surfing in Category 1. But space hurricanes are nothing like hurricanes on Earth. Like, according to the scientists, they said that this space hurricane is made up of swirling plasma and it rained electrons. That does not sound safe. That doesn't sound good at all. It sounds actually pretty bad. And they said until now, scientists weren't 100% certain about plasma hurricanes, if they even existed. So they said this observation is proof that they do exist, and they probably exist much more. They probably happen much more than scientists initially thought. It's probably happening a lot on other planets, on Earth. Like, it's probably happening a lot more than people realize. Maybe not on Earth, but on other planets, it's happening. So this is a pretty big development. Interesting story. It did happen a while back, but they're just releasing the reports on it now. So we will see what continues to develop here. If we get any new, developments, any new space hurricanes, maybe they'll start, giving them like Category 1, Category 2, like they do on Earth. Who knows? But it was the first time ever, and first time ever, it's going to be pretty memorable that they did discover and observe this space hurricane.